today I'll be trying the Bpure lip kit in Terracotta Rose. So I'm a little bit more excited about this one than the other one that I tried because it's darker. The other one I had a feeling was going to be way too bright. Anyway, that's what it looks like. And we'll see. We'll see. Worst case scenario, I can always whip out my trusty Wet n Wild, what's it called? Lip liner. That's actually much better than that other one. It's much better. Okay. So the liners are like on the creamy side, which is not something I particularly care for. I like when eyeliner has some tug to it. However, these are very similar to like those elf liners. And yeah, I think they're supposed to. Why do I have a feeling that the liner is lighter than the actual liquid lipstick? No, it's like the same color. Okay. But you gotta admit, this one is a lot better than the other one. That is, if you watched the video of me using the other one. Still not quite the ombre lip that I like, but all things considering, this one, much prettier, much more flattering color for me. It's Terracotta Rose. I like it. I like this one a lot better. That's pretty much it. I don't really have anything to say about it. I have been wear testing them. They kind of fade away after about an hour or two. So these definitely have to be retouched every few hours, like during your bathroom break or whatever. But I mean, it's $1.25 for both. So can you be that mad at it? Not really, I don't think so. I'm back after using Brandywine as a lip liner with the Terracotta Rose liquid lipstick from Bpure. I don't like the liners in them because, like I said, they're creamy like the elf ones. A lot of people like that formula. I don't. I like when my liners have a little bit of grip and tug, and I know they're not going to smudge because I have a downturned mouth. Essentially, I have permanent resting bitch face, and I look like I'm miserable and angry all the time. See what I mean? Okay, I'm not angry, I promise. I'm not angry. But because of that, I tend to like, it kind of like feathers in that area, like if it's a creamy liner, whereas if it's like one of these dry ones that have a tug, it won't like melt outward. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but that's pretty much why I don't care for the creamy ones. I'll probably use these as like lipstick. So either way, I'm gonna get use out of it. And even if all I got was this guy for $1.25, I can't really be that angry at it. The only downside is they tend to kind of disappear after an hour or two. But I think I already said that. So you have to constantly like retouch. It's something you're gonna have to carry in your pocketbook. But if you're in a broke and on a budget and you want to make yourself look pretty, it'll work. it'll work for that job interview. All right, see you guys later. Okay, bye.